Hello, how's it going? There we go. That's better. All right. Kara's Hest, how are you doing? Woober, how's it going? Busy not sleeping for my last final of the semester. Last one, that's a big deal. Congrats for getting this far. You need your rest, though. Sleep is the best thing you can do for your brain. Ooh, I don't remember where I left off. There was a nasty bug that someone posted in the Discord that I just fixed, and I don't understand why it never showed up before. Basically, there was a duplicate item bug. Weird. Let's just make sure I fixed it. You have insomnia, so my brain probably doesn't agree. Oh, I'm sorry. It's not fun. Okay, no more dupe bug. All right, cool. Make do. Do you take naps in the middle of the day, or is that not a thing either? You get a mallet, and you get a mallet. Everyone gets a mallet, yeah. Usually? Well, that's good. All right. So that's good. This is fixed. I'm pretty sure I left the museum in an unfinished state. I don't remember. I mean, it's definitely decorated poorly right now. I feel like, okay. I don't like that this thing pops up, and when you interact with this, it doesn't go away. I feel like I need to throw an event that says I interacted with this thing, and if that message represents that thing, just hide now. Hide it now. That should be easy. Let's see if let's see if I can hook into that. I'm pretty sure I can. So interactable. Pretty sure I throw invoke event. Interactable event trigger on player pickup. So I throw a different event per thing. So on pickup, player interaction, charge, or item interaction. I have to listen for all of these. That's okay. Let's do it. Let's make that go away. So that thing is called the floating icon UI manager, right? Interactable panel, photographable prefab. Okay, so it's this thing. Interactable events. I already listened for them. Player focus. Interactable. Hide. What is player focus? Player selector. What is this? End controller mode. Okay. That's fine. Oh, this is pulling the focus. That's fine. Okay. Interactable event. These are also interactable events. So we just need to listen for these now. If e.event type equals this, or there's a lot of these, or e.event type equals on player interaction, or on charge event, or on one more interactable item interaction. If any of these, that means oh, we need to know what we're focusing on. Do I know that? Description panel. Ooh, I don't even know that. Target collider. I know the target collider. I guess I can get target collider.gameObject. That'll get it for me. Anyway, how's everyone doing? Y'all good? It's public, so I can grab it. If interactable panel dot. How's it going, Scotty? Thank you for the follow. No, if dot trigger. What did I say? Trigger? What did I call it? Target transform. Target transform. Welcome in. How long have I been working on this game? For about 3.5 years. The target transform is equal to e.gameObject.transform. That means we have selected the thing that is being represented, and we want to hide it. So interactable panel.hide. Okay, so that should be a big graphical improvement, or more responsive. Is it in early access or anything right now? It's in a semi-closed alpha. So it's not open to the general public, but it is open to all of you if you'd like the key to play. Now there's a channel redeem. Add me to the alpha. It's very cheap. It does not require you to sit here for hours. Days even. Maybe 30 minutes. So if you do want to play, you can. That's because the alpha key, I don't have to get up. If you redeem show me your dog, I gotta go get the dog. That's effort. Also, sometimes she's sleeping in her bed and I don't want to disturb her, so. Boom, look at that. It goes away. That feels great. Ooh, but it doesn't come back. Is she sleeping now? Yeah. I mean, she's sleeping like 90% of the time. Unless it's like right before her dinner time. I can still interact with it. It just doesn't show. This is great. Oh man, why didn't I add that a long time ago? It's the little things in life, you know? All right. Next on the list is... Something, what did I leave unfinished in the museum? I definitely left something unfinished. You know, we got that giant raid yesterday. And it was just like, my brain went scrambled eggs. I didn't know what I was doing after that. I should look at the VOD to see what was the last thing I touched. I'm going to do that. Content. All right, what did we work on? So oh, right. The timeline. Of course. I left something totally unfinished. I never got this timeline to work. Yeah, flying bats. That was it. Because I was trying to get the animations to be static. That's right. That's right. Because of Finsifty's or not request, but idea. Okay. Okay. We can do this now. I'm gonna try it here as a test because I don't want to keep running over there. So these bats, I'm going to throw them in a timeline. Timelines. I'm gonna make a test poses sequence. I'm going to make a timeline test. We're going to add a playable director already there. We're going to add the test poses sequence and test poses sequence. Open up the timeline, lock it in. We're going to add these bats. We only need 2. One, 2. Okay. We got the 2 bats. Frame 1 is exactly how I want them. Yep. Let's drop this down. Let's rotate it around. And we want them to just be still. Be still. And this is what didn't work, right? I had to set to manual, and manual did not work. So let's see why. I'm just going to do this. I don't know why, but I'm going to do it anyway. Augie, how's it going? Oh, I also need to remove all of their AI. You tired, Augie? You always look tired. Your text always looks so tired. Okay, yeah, they're all broken. I need to remove all of their stuff. I don't need them even. I don't even need them in this thing. What if I just do this? I think I'm just dreading modeling. Oh yeah, I said I was going to do eyeballs because of you. I'll add that to the list later. I don't like what I did. Let's just remove this stuff. I really need to get around to that epic mega grant so I can hire someone. What's the deadline for it? How often do they do a mega grant? Interesting. So this won't play. If it goes to the next frame, it updates, and then it goes right back to what the animator's doing. Which is strange because you'd think that the timeline would supersede whatever this animator's doing. What happens if I change this to game time? And I play on awake, and I'll do this. There we go. What if, what is unscaled game time? So I guess you just can't. DSP clock, I don't know what that is. Initial time, current time. Mega Grand is apparently ongoing and has no deadline. Oh, so you can do it whenever. Let's see. How can I do this? I wonder if I can pause a timeline. Maybe I have to pause it with code. Let's try a script. Let's try a scripty script. Can't avoid modeling, so go do it. Modeling is fun. Modeling is fun. Deleted. Whoa. Okay. That was weird. This is a timeline script. Do I have timeline scripts? Timelines, cutscene. Here we go. Call this the pose frozen timeline. Oof. Do you guys hear that crackling? That was really bad. That means my computer's begging for a reboot. I haven't rebooted it in maybe a month. Modeling's fun until you realize you spent 3 hours tweaking the same spot. I hear that. All right, so playable director. We need using Unity engine.timeline. Playable director. What? How do you do playable director? Forget. Cutscenes. I need playables. End timeline. Playable director. Timeline. You leave your PC on. First of all, it's a Mac. Second of all, yeah, you turn yours off. I actually saw a meme on Instagram the other day that was exactly this conversation. It was like someone calling IT, or I forget what it was, but it was basically someone responding to their request, like, "Hey, did you try turning your computer off?" And they were like, "What is that?" I agree with that. What is that? Who turns their computer off? Did you only turn it off for the move? No, it's a laptop. It was actually on throughout the move. The last time I rebooted it was about a month ago because of the crackling. I'm like, let me try and fix the crackling. And that worked. It's just over a month. The crackling gets louder and louder. I have no idea what it is. Bruh. Don't bruh me. Computers are meant to stay on forever. Okay. So on awake, right? Awake. We want to timeline.pause. Maybe pause will keep it in active state, but not let the animator take back control. So I'll do is I'll just use game time and play on awake, and hopefully it just pauses it. Game time. Fingers crossed. Your laptop's begging to die. That's a trooper. I really do need to back up this project, though. It played it. It didn't pause. Okay, so maybe play on awake. Maybe I can't have play on awake. Because play on awake, maybe it has to be on start, not on awake. Please let me rest. Booyah's laptop, probably. And now you guys are scaring me. I need to get my Git back up and running. Grumble! I'm sorry you don't have this project on Git. It's on Bitbucket, but my repository is already too big. Okay, that paused it, but it paused it, but the animator took it right back. Grumble, how you doing? What if I just remove the controller? None. If I remove the animation controller and I replay this timeline. That might actually do it. About to go to bed. Good stream today. You have a good night's sleep. How much money should I ask for Mepic? All of it, yeah. Every single money. Don't let a single money unrequested. All right, so I'm going to remove the animation controller. Hopefully it just gets stuck. I just want them to get stuck. Please, I need them to take me seriously. Then you got to do a budget. If you want them to take you seriously, you got to be serious. Got to do a budget. Wait, why didn't it pause it? So now it's just stuck on the last frame. I want it to be stuck on the first frame. What if I do this? What if I wait one frame and then pause? That's why I'm asking a 3D modeler what the budget should be. I mean, how many, you gotta tell, you need to know how many assets you need to make. You need to know exactly how many assets you need to make. It might be, it might behoove you to make a game design document and you basically make the game on paper first. You got to know how many animations you need. You got to know if you need animations. You got to know which need texturing. I mean, you're asking for a lot of money from a company. You need to... I don't think you can actually. I don't think you can fake it. You know, you can't fake appearing like you know what you're doing. I think you just got to do the research and know what you're doing. I don't think it's impossible though. I don't think it's out of reach for you. Why isn't it pausing? Oh wait. Oh, I'm an idiot. I'm getting a null reference exception because I never got it. Idiot. So I probably don't need this. Ooh, I love this song. But I don't know what I'm doing. That's what I've been telling people, but they all think I'm kidding. I think every day you're learning, Augie. And every day you're getting a little better, a little smarter, and you know a little bit more about what you're doing. And then eventually you'll know exactly what you're doing. I mean, just pretend they're drawings, right? Just pretend that every asset you need is a drawing. How long would that take you? And then if you had to draw the entire game, how would you even figure out what you need? Just pretend it's not 3D models. Pretend it's something else. Holy Cthulhu. Thanks for the sub. That's, as Stream Element says, that is kind of you. Thank you. All right, now it looks like it didn't even start. Maybe I do have to wait one frame. I need to get some emotes. I need to get some nice emotes. If anyone knows an emote artist, send them my way. And I've been thinking about like what would I even want the emotes to be. I'm not sure. I wouldn't want to do my dog. That's dangerous. She's very old. I don't need her dying on me and then having all my emotes remind me of her. Augie, you make emotes? I can't do more doggo. Nah. Augie, what's with the kappa? Do you make emotes? I didn't think you made emotes. I mean, I assumed you made your own. Yeah, but it doesn't mean you're an emote artist. It just means you made your own. Like, I made 3. I'm not an emote artist. I do like yours. I think yours are good. Do you want to make mine? Pretend each emote is an asset. How long would it take you? I don't even know. I need a wave. I need a wave. And I need a cheer. I need a cheer. I need a heart. And then I need something. I need a few that are very specific to this channel, which I don't even know. Swap emotes for 3D models. I mean, if you put in, you tell me how many hours you spent on my emotes, and I'll put in that many hours, and I'll make 3D models for you. Also, what's crazy is that those 2 bats are in idle right now, but there's no animator controlled. There's no animator controlling them. I don't know why they're in idle. I don't know how they're in idle. But we finally did it. We figured it out. We figured out the formula. So we need to wait 1 frame and then pause. And we need to remove their animation controller. There has to be no controller here. That's the magic formula. That's not so bad. So now I can say pose timeline. I can put in our new frozen timeline. Set this back to game time. Plan awake. And then these guys unlock, lock. These guys need their controllers stripped from them. Same with the bear. Where's bear? I don't think the amount of time I spend will be enough time for you to make models. Maybe I throw in a splash screen and a logo to buy you more time. No, I mean, I kind of like my logo. It's okay. There is 2D art I need, but okay. So I need to get rid of all this stuff too. These are unnecessary. Remove component. These are already removed. That's already all removed. Okay. And then that's okay. What about the bear? Did I remove from the bear? I didn't remove it from the bear. Character controller, remove. Can't remove component, can't remove because the wander script depends on it. Well, get rid of the wander script. Or solve the pine tree readability issue. You mean this stuff? You want to remake my trees? Yeah, I kind of hate my trees. They're very busy and noisy and too much detail. Oh, that. No, I like to leave that a mystery. Is it Alpine or Alpine? No one will ever know. So let's add the bear here. Animation track. Add a bear animator or add from animation clip. Bear. Bear stand up. So I basically just scrub this. It walks. Has no receiver. Seriously? It's throwing events in edit mode and it's giving me crap? Timeline. Bear stand up. How about bear stand up attack? That's a ridiculous pose. Big smooth porcupine. Mr. Mart, how's it going? It's good for a Christmas theme logo. Throw a star on top and now it's a proper eye. No Christmas. All right, where's a good frame? That is a messed up arm. Maybe it should be sleeping. Let's try sleeping. Death. No, I don't like that. Walk. No, don't do that. What is the idol? Is there anything in the idol that's interesting? Nope, just a weird head turn. It's such a weird run. All right, I didn't like any of these. Shoot. Wouldn't the tree model be modeling issue? Yeah, it is. That's why I was surprised when you said it. I forgot that I forgot I have a legibility issue in the logo. I don't know. I don't like any of these. It's bothering me. Let's look at stand up again. It's just the arms. They look so weird. They look weighted down, like he's holding, like he's doing deadlifts or something. He's also very hard to see. Very hard to see. Metallic map, no. No metallic. Oh, wait, you know what I need to do? I need to make this the character material. Universal render pipeline, simple cell. Where's simple cell shader? Simple cell? Universal cell shader. Main texture. Where's the bear? There we go. And then rim intensity 0. All right, that's a little better. All right, forget it. I'm literally just going to I'm going to do this. The standing straight up, and that's that. Just this. We're done. We're done here. And then let me do the spider. What character would I want for the emotes? I'm not sure. I don't know. What do you think? Should I do my bald head? Like cartoony versions of me? Or should it be related to the game? Because that's what I'm about. That's what I'm about here. It's all about the game. It's not about me. Rotation helper? That's what the root of the spider's called? Lame. Spider. Let's try spider attack. I really liked the pose it was in. I think that was just like the first frame of the walk. Spider death? Spider idol. Spider walk. It's not, his legs aren't even on the ground. Booyah, bald. I don't have a flagship character. Oh, that's kind of cool, actually. Yeah, that's a cool pose. That's a nice pose right there. All right, that's the one. So, gotta lock it in. Cool. No character at all that you'd use for marketing. See, that's the problem. Let's look at my Steam page for a second, right? I have a character that someone drew for me. Wait, what? I'm not even one of the top Alpine? That sucks. Actually, what happens if you search Alpine? Alpine. Nowhere to be found. That's okay, that's okay. We'll get there. We'll get there. I'm just happy that now when you search Alpine Lake, the second thing. I'm gonna get you, Wikipedia, for Alpine Lake. I'm gonna get you. I'm coming for you. All right, anyway, so I got this character and then this dog, right? This has been my branding. So I'm not sure. I mean, yeah, it could be her, but I don't know. I never really like connected with her too much, so I don't see her as like, yeah, that's the game. That's Alpine Lake. But I guess she is, right? Mega Bat. It's so cute. Where you at? Where you at? I don't see no Meg. Oh, infinite scroll. Never mind. There you go. There you are. That's pretty good. And then if you search Megabat game, you're probably first. Yeah, okay. What? What is this? Did you translate your Steam page to Japanese? Did you do this? Oh, no. It's just the Steam page is in Japanese. So if you put this flag, you can see what the Japanese page looks like. Look at that. Boom. Thank you, Keen Reflex. Alpine Lakes translated to Japanese. I have a Chinese translation too, but I didn't put it in yet. I wanted someone to proofread it. Because someone was able to proofread this for me and give it the boom. Does anybody read Chinese? I think it's good though. I ran it through Google Translate and it seems to say the right things. It's a little strange, but I'm sure it's just because it doesn't translate to English well. It's closer for me than it is for you. That's cool. I do search it all the time. It's one of my top 3 most Googled words. It's Megabat. All right, anyway. I don't know. Maybe it should be the dog. Also, what is the ground I use for the cave? It's not this. Cave scene. What is this texture? This texture is Mud 1A. It is Mud 1A, but I darken it. This texture is Mud 1A. Why aren't these rocks visible here? My repeats is 0.01. And then here, the repeats are 0.05. If I say 0.01, whoa, that doesn't make any sense. That's weird. The tree with different emotions would go hard. You think it should just be the tree? That's actually pretty funny. I like that. Og, you wanna make the tree like a character? So I have like I ended up making like different icons for different months of sub. So now every next tier I put another tree in the forest. So it's kind of like the forest is the character. This is so strange. Why? These are so dark here. What's going on here? Oh, is it this? It's this. No, it's not. This doesn't do anything. This doesn't do anything. How are these the same texture? It makes no sense. That's bizarre. The tree could end up looking real creepy. You mean like this? Or like this? That creepy? Do I need a Riz tree? I like that. I like it though. Please make it happen. Make it happen, please. I want to add those rocks over here. Booyah, Riz. I couldn't even do it. I can't even do it. I got no Riz game. I got no Riz game. Where's my vegetation spawner? Excuse you, where are you? Where's my vegetation spawner? It's in the terrain. But when I select this, oh, there it is. Paste. Paste component values. Spawn. I don't want these things. Let me spawn. Perfect. I need to design like a scene, you know, not just them sitting here. Biggs is always here in spirit, yeah. I'm glad Biggs was discovered, you know. I'm glad I found Biggs one day. Or did Biggs find me? I don't remember. I'm just glad it happened. So the nice thing about this system is I can just duplicate this bat. Make another one. and just drag its visuals in here. Animation track. Copy. Paste. Now I got 2 bats. Oh, but I need another cylinder sticking out of its butt. Lunar Sky, how's it going? I'm doing good. How are you? Wait, so let me recap. Pine tree with eyes. You want to wave. A heart. Wait, you're doing it? You're going to do it? Don't just do it. Just do one. Just draw the tree. Draw the tree. And DM me your rate, because I'm going to pay you. Just draw the tree once. Give it eyes. See if it works. See if it works as a character. See if you can make it work as a character. No. You're definitely getting paid. You don't do work and not get paid. Or how about this? How about this? I made you that lock a couple of weeks ago, remember? So the character sketch can just equal that lock model. And then if it's cool and we move on and I want more, then I'll pay you for those. How about that? Is that fair? Then you can go on Fiverr and get like 10 assets for whatever I pay you. Okay. I forgot I made that lock. I need some stalactites and stalagmite models. That would be cool. Also, I'm moving this spider. I feel like... Oh, no, actually, I'm moving the root. Okay, cool. Just pine tree with eyes? I think so. You know what? Here, let me give you the... Let me give you the file that I used to create the pine tree. You can start with that. If you want. Where is that? It's in... Documents. List. Oh, really? It's a Photoshop doc? Do you have Photoshop? What inspired me to make Alpine Lake? Basically, we were in the middle of COVID. My wife and I were playing Stardew Valley on the couch, doing nothing. And one of us said to the other, I don't know who said it to who. I think she said it to me. She's like, it'd be cool if this was like an inn where instead of farming, you run an inn or like a bed and breakfast. It all started with bed and breakfast branding. And I was like, that's genius. It definitely would be cool if we were running a bed and breakfast instead of farming. But then I kind of rebranded to be inn-centric because of bear and breakfast. It's going to look like Clippy. That's okay. Clippy's dope. Don't underestimate the power of Clippy. Well, here is the Photoshop document. And oh wait, no, that was V1. Here's V2. Delete that. Oh no, that's V1 too. Delete that. There it is. There's the latest tree. That's the latest tree. That's a good story. Should I put that on my website? And I actually started making this game as a pixel art game. I'm like, all right, let me make a pixel art game. And I quickly realized, no. I'm a 3D artist. I'm not making a pixel art game. It'd take me too long. Thank you, Automod, for protecting me. Coward. Looks like you get asked that a lot. Something to post in your stream panel. Yeah, I've been thinking about adding panels. I'm like the only streamer that doesn't have panels. I need some. I eventually. When I hit 1,000 followers, I'll make about me panels. Absolutely not. Okay, so I'm not the only one without about panels, but there's a certain like seriousness. Like I take this seriously. And I think anyone that takes it as seriously as me has about panels. There's people that don't take it as seriously. I'm a serious man, and I take this very seriously. I'm a non-artist, so I'm making a game with as little art as possible. That's exactly what you should be doing. You should be playing to your strengths if you ever want to finish something. Not gonna lie, I'm just thinking how do I put more effort on this? Ain't no way I'm just adding eyeballs to this. Oh yeah, redraw it. Do it in your own style. Whatever works as an emote, you know? Do whatever you need to do. You have creative freedom to do whatever you want to do. If you wanted it to be me, draw me. If you want it to be that girl or the dog, do that. Do whatever you want. I think they call them pretenders. Who? The people on Twitch not trying hard enough? Not trying? I think sometimes people want to take it seriously, but maybe they don't know how to like what to do, you know? Just got to look to the streams, the popular streams you like, and do that. Do that. Which emote would I want first? Probably a wave. How do you make a tree wave? It would just like do this, right? Just wag its head. Or would it stick a branch out? This is a terrible idea. The branch is cute. Yeah, the branch is cute. Actually, Augie, this can be really cute. I've never seen anyone with tree emotes. I've seen people with tree badges that like grow over time. Who has that? Who has the tree that grows over time? Like the longer you're subbed, the tree grows. Starts with a Z. Forget. Zeppelin or something. But I've never seen anyone with like a straight up tree. If I do tree, is this one. That's it. I had an idea of animating the tree waving its entire body. That'd be awesome. Also, what music just happened? It's like sexy Final Fantasy saxophone. What is this? This isn't even Final Fantasy music. Whatever. Okay. So that was big, getting the timeline working so I can have static poses. It was pretty big. Did everyone it's this I'm going to tell you what it says. It says wish list. And this says photo So that's the symbol for Naka, which is like new. So why does it say follow Naka? Oh, you know what I want to do? I want to add a redeem that's just like make me do Duolingo. I almost lost my streak last night. I did it at like 11:30. I'm going to add that right now. How much should that cost? Like 1,000? Community? I forget how to add channel redeems. It's been a while. Stream? No. Affiliate? No. Community? No. No. Oh my god, where is it? Channel points? Custom points, manage rewards. There it is. Add new reward. Make me do Duolingo. Create. There we go. Make me Duolingo. Naka means not only middle, but also during. So follow is translated as follow, and follow Naka is translated as following. Oh, so that means it's already clicked. Is that Naka? Inside, middle, mean, center. Of course you would do that. All right. How should I do this? I guess I gotta pause the music. Gotta pause the music, and I'll hold it up. Hold it up to the mic. This is gonna be embarrassing. I don't normally talk in front of other people. So, I'm on a lesson that I actually hate. Do it on web? I don't. Can I? I've never logged into it on web. Oh, but then I can't talk into it though. Some of the lessons you can talk and does text to speech. I have no idea what my login is. Would it be my Apple login? Okay, I'll do that for next time. This time I'll just think I have I think I share my screen. I think I have a share screen thing. Video capture. Is this it? Properties. Oh no, my OBS is so broken. It's gonna crash. Can I add a new thing? Oh yeah, my OBS is so broken right now. Let's just do it. So I'm up to a lesson that's days of the week. Say that again. 来年を何をしますか? What year is next year? No, what are you doing next year? What are you doing next year? We did it. What will you do next year? Kyoren. Kyoren. Kyonen. It's asking me what kanji is Kyonen. Not that one. Not that one. Not that one. So that I don't like this one. I don't like this lesson. The names of the days so difficult. Kyonen. Oh, what is that one? Sensei. I haven't seen that one in so long. This one is 8th day. That's Yoka. And Futsuka. Futsuka 2 day. 2nd day. Futsuka. And then this one is I don't even know. Oh, this Juichiga. What is Juichiga? Juichigatsu. Oh, it got cut off. That's November. Juichigatsu. Okay. We got this. 年はいい年でした。お年。お年はいい年でした。What is otoshi? That's like the 10th day or something. No? What is otoshi? This year. Oh, kotoshi. Kotoshi. This year was a good year. Oh, it's saying this year was a good year. Okay. Kotoshi wa ii toshi deshita. This year was a good year. It takes 10 months. 10 months is... Actually, that's interesting. I know how to say, like, November. Is it the same thing? Jugetsu? Jugatsu? Jukagetsu. Jukagetsu. Kakarimasu. Kakarimasu, right? Yeah. Okay, we're doing this. It took 10 months. It took 10 months. No, 12 months. Whoops. 12ヶ月かかりました。今年はよくラーメンを食べました。今年はよくラーメンを食べました。I ate a lot of ramen this year. 今年 Wait, what? 今年はよくラーメンを食べました。今年はラーメン。今年はよくラーメンを食べました。Yeah. 今年はよくラーメンを食べました。We're doing it. I often ate ramen this year. Hells yeah. ボール Next year. 来年 Snow is Yuki? Last night. What is last night? I don't even know. You bet. I had a cheat. And then windy. Kaze. I had a cheat. I had to look. I try not to look. Today is October 12th. 今日は10月 20th. 10月 20日です ?20日 No. 20日 20日 is 20th. That is a new word. I did not know that one. Okay, 今日は10月20日です。去年は何をしましたか? What did you do last year? 去年は何をしましたか? This is a long one. Yube. I just did it. Yube is last night. Yube. Soups. No, soup. Kaze. West is Higoshi? No. Damn it, Nishi. And then every year is Mainen? No. Mai Toshi. Toshi. I get Nen and Toshi mixed up. Mai Toshi. Ototoshi wa nani o shimashita ka? What did you do the year before last? Ototoshi wa nan o shimashita ka? We're almost done. Kudamono, fruit. Tabemono. Kyonen. Byoin. Soup. What year was the year before last? Okay. Ototoshi wa nannen desu ka? Nannen deshita ka? Yeah. Ototoshi wa nannen deshita ka? No, that's wrong. What? Why? What year was the year before last? The year before last. Oh no, it is right. Ashita wa 12月. That's a tough one. 明日は12月20日です. I mean, tomorrow, 12月 is December. Tomorrow's December 20日, 20th. Tomorrow's December 20th. Tomorrow it will be December 20th. Oh my god, two more. Two more. And my Duolingo crashed. Oh, it's back. Every year we sleep 2,920 hours. What? What just happened to Duolingo? Okay, that's Maitoshi. Maitoshi. Watashi tachi 2,920. Nisen ku 2,920 hours. Jikan. Okay. This one's tough. I don't know this. I don't know the order of this sentence. All right, here we go. Maitoshi. Watashi tachi wa. And then ni sen. 9 100 20 Jikan. Nemasu. Right. Oh my god, I can't believe that was right. Maitoshi watashi tachi wa 2,920 jikan nemasu. Fuck. I'll never be able to say that. Like, spur of the moment. Never. I travel to the US every year. Maitoshi. America de Yoko shimasu. Yoko shimasu. Yeah. Or is it Yoko ikimasu? We'll find out. Maitoshi America ni. I forgot the ni. Nope, I got it wrong. The last one. It was the last one I got it wrong. Mainen America he. Oh, it's he. Yoko ni ikimasu. That one's confusing. I never know when to use that particle. Mae toshi. America he. Yoko ni ikimasu. We did it. Okay, I did one. Woo! That was a tough one. All right, that has to be way more expensive than 1,000 channel points. That took 11 minutes. Is everybody okay? Did we all pull through? I will be in the bathroom the entire time. Hey, Angablade. Sorry I put you through that. But you know what? I need the practice, so I'm going to leave it there. I understand that struggle with the months in Thai. Oh, right. Isn't Kyonen like last year, even though it sounds like this year? Yeah, that's what I was saying. Kyo is today, right? Kyo is today. And then, like, you put Kyo in front of anything that's this. But Kyonen is last year for some reason. Kotoshi is this year, right? Kotoshi. Because Toshi is year. I learned that I was trying to say like my dog is old, so I was like, oh, Tashi no inu wa furui desu, and someone was like, no, you don't use furui for old living things. You only use it for old objects. I'm like, how do you say my dog is old? And she was, and not she, the bartender, he was like, oh, you say like Toshiue, and Toshiue was like a year above, like Toshiue imasu, something like that. Kotoshi. Yeah, Kotoshi is this year. I don't know about Otoshi. So, oh, you were yeah, you're yeah, I couldn't read chat while I was doing those lessons. 10 kagetsukan, I think. Yoku shimasu. Yeah, it was yoko ni ikimasu. So this is like traveling, is going to travel. It was like where you're going to travel. It was America he. It wasn't a, it was he, like the upward carrot thing. All right. Thanks for bearing with me through that. I'm glad I did that, actually. But I think I need to make it more expensive because it takes so long. Or maybe I just do a word. I've seen het and et used interchangeably. It always sounds like it's being pronounced et, but so I guess when you write it in Romanji, what would it be, right? Robachan. Robert Robachan. How's it going? Kyo, as in today, is with elongated O, but Kyo in Kyonen is short O. It's the kanji that'll help you sort this one out. You're right, actually. That's totally true, and I did notice that. Yeah, it's not Kyo, it's Kyo. So thank you for clarifying that. I'm less mad now. Also, welcome in. All right, so what's going here? I have another biome that I need to put there. Maybe I make this one a little wider. That's really wide. This biome would have to have a lot in it to support the size. But I am going to make it shorter. Maybe it'll be okay. Easy Albert, how's it going? Hey man, how you doing? I'm currently developing my app and looking for company. Are you developing an RPG? Well, welcome in. And I guess it is kind of an RPG. I mean, I have it listed as RPG on Steam. Also, feel free to share links to what you're working on. And that goes for anyone. If you're working on something, you're co-working with me, I want to see it. Is this the center? It is. Weird. You don't want to see my VBA script? Of course I do. I want to see everything. And I need my cheer emote so I can cheer. How you doing with that, Augie? Is it done yet? Is it done yet? I'm kidding. So this needs the triplanar simple grass. How many hours per week do you stream, and what's the name of the game? The name of the game is Alpine Lake, and you can find it there. Feel free to give it a wish list. I stream a minimum 10 hours a week, I'd say. I do about 2 hours a day, minimum. Sometimes I do like 6 times a week. Sometimes I do like 4 times a week. It all depends. And then sometimes I'll go for up to 4 hours, but depends on how intense life is going, you know? If I revert this, cannot revert. Overridden properties cannot be applied or reverted when in animation mode. Okay. That was weird. So if you lock the timeline, you're in animation mode? I did not know that. Wish you great success with it. I really appreciate it. Thank you. Doing a marketplace for mobile as my first project. I built my own chat. ID verification system, and many others. That sounds interesting. What do you mean by marketplace? Like an app store within an app store? Developing a solution to share items peer-to-peer since only business private or business business exists right now. Gotta head to bed. Have a good night. You too, Luna. Or Lunar. Sorry. I've seen a lot of Lunas around. All right, am I almost done? Just trying to move all these onto the platform. We good? We're good. Okay. This is gonna be the grow. Oh, this is gonna be the pond, I guess. Oh wait, if I have a pond, I need like a fake water setup here. How am I gonna do that? This can be. Oh, I can make like a static water shader. The water shaders all move. I wonder if my water shader supports no animation. Let's see. Going to bed, finally fixed a bug I was having. Oh my god, it's so late. Grumble. Good night. This is the person going to bed right now. Follow them. Follow them to bed. Which country are you from? I'm from Germany and sitting in Portugal right now. Well, I am from the US, but I am sitting in Tokyo right now. This is the river. This is the lake. Hot tub. Other hot tub. How come? Why not? I moved here a couple months ago. This is the water visitor center display. Yeah, my wife and I, we moved here a couple months ago and having a blast. This is the water visitor center. Wait, I gotta make it not transparent. All right. This is weird. Water visitor center display. Why is it so strange? It's behaving so strange. Let's give it a transparency of nothing. Start there. Depth? 0. Where's transparency? Am I crazy? Refraction, here it is. Nope. I wonder if it relies on UVs. So lovely. Do you speak Japanese? Is your wife from the US? Yeah, she's from the US, and I don't know if you were here 30 minutes ago, you would have seen me struggling through a Duolingo lesson. I don't speak Japanese well. Doing my best, though. Where's shoreline wave distance? None of these things do anything. What is happening? Flow speed. We want 0. That I know we need. Not animated. Rim clipping. So we don't want any clipping. Or we want full clip? Edge fade. There we go. At least now it's that. That's why you're learning. I live on the other end of Kanagawa. Oh, nice. If you pop into Hakone, you might find me at work. That's so cool. I was in Hakone in December? No. When was I there? I was in Hakone last April. Last April. That was the last vacation here before my wife and I were like, that's it. We need to just move here. Let's stop visiting and just move here. It's very nice to meet you, though. Good luck, man. Learning language is easier than everyone thinks. No way. It's a finite amount of stuff to learn. I will say, I mean, I'm having a great time. I've never learned another language and taken it seriously before. And it's super fun. It's hard, though. Japanese and English are very different from each other. Wait a minute. Oh, is it because I have no normal map? What's going on here? Oh, I need this one. This is the one I need to duplicate. Ugh. FAE Water Lake. No, FAE Water Visitor Center. This one's garbage. Hot garbage. 日本語は難しいです. There we go. This is much more promising. Did you take the train? In that case, you might have already met. We might have already met. So I actually came from the other direction. I was coming from Osaka. Took the train from Osaka to Hakone. Stayed at a ryokan there. And then we took the romance train back to Shinjuku from there. So yeah, if you work at the train station, we might have already met, I guess. All right, this is what I was expecting to see. Zero depth. I don't understand why it does this though. The rim tiling. I don't want any rim. 0. Oh my god. Augie. 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 This is great, right? This is the emote. This is the Alpine Lake emote. This is the Booyah Grandma emote. I dig it. Go check the sketch. I dig it. Can you help me do a joke? My fiance doesn't know about Twitch and interactable live content. No. I know not to say random things in other languages that I know what they mean. Which means good day, are you good? I don't believe you. I don't believe you that that means that. Do we even need a face? No, we don't. If we can get the character in just the tree by itself, doesn't need a face. I dig this. I dig this. Yeah. That's quite the challenge to do emotes without a face. It's pretty good. It's pretty challenging undertaking. But Easy Albert, if you first of all, hello to Easy Albert's fiance. This is interactable content where you can chat with the person on the other end of the camera. I hope you're having a great day. We're working on a video game here. Bunch of nerds in chat. It's great, and we're having a great time. Wouldn't troll you? I don't know. We just met. We just met, and you could be like Augie. Flow speed 0. Wave tiling. Oh, look at that. Okay. But why? What's with the normals? That's so weird. Why would this have different values? Why would anyone want to be like me? Because you're a cool guy, Augie. Cool guy. This is perfect. It's just why are the normals all funked up? Maybe I do like an aquarium style. Someone mentioned aquariums the other day. Maybe I do like a higher stage with a glass that looks like you're underwater, and I can put like fish in there and underwater things that you can photograph. Maybe when you catch fish, they show up in the lake here. Maybe that's a good idea. Maybe the whole back wall's like an aquarium like that. Hmm. Okay. Okay. Just live with their parents and no job at 30. Easy like me. That's cool. That's cool guy speak. I just don't know what is causing this. What if the rim color was black? Nope, it's not the rim color. Is it this shallow color? What if this was the same? Copy, paste. Nope. Is it glossiness? Nope. This is lame. I hate this. I swear, if this is an emote people will use for dancing, oh, it totally is. It's just going to be the all-encompassing emote. It'll work for all situations. It's not just going to be for hello. I can already see it. Like I feel like if it was saying hello, like a part of its like one of its little nodules should just like, flip like a wave. Let me look at it again. Yeah, because you have the three triangles that make up the stacking traditional pine tree look. It can just lean over and just the middle one can like this is totally dancing. Why is this like this? Why is this like this? Because the back one is smooth, right? You can't even see the difference between these two. But this one, what if I rotate this? Does it change? It might not test small. Let's see. I can only make it like 10%. It's not so bad. Do you have instant emote approval? You mean on Twitch? No. Who has that? Thor? You can do Peepo enter with a tree for hello. What's Peepo enter? Is that just like sliding in from the wall, from behind a wall? Yeah. Yeah, that's a good one. I like this. I like how we came up, the identity was just it was a group effort. Who said it? Who's the first one to say it? Tree with a face. It was you, Mr. Mard, right? Thanks for the suggestion. All right, this is annoying that I can't get this to work, but let's move on. Hill. I have a hill. No, not you. Not you. I want hill single. Hill small. Hill corner outside. Hill path. I want this one. There we go. So, in the pond, right now, there's nothing you can photograph except there is technically a snake. Also, I spent all this time laying out this grass and I don't need it. I wish there was an isolate selection. In Maya, if I wanted to only look at this stuff, I would just hit Shift I and then I'd only see this stuff. There is no isolate selection in Unity, right? That's like a big part of my workflow is isolate selection. Dude, this product structure looks huge. Which are you talking about? Makes my project feel less overwhelming. Yeah, this is a lot. This is 4 years in the making. 3.5 years. It'll be 4 years in July. Oh no. I gotta get my demo up before. That's my deadline. That's my drop dead last possible moment that I'll accept for a demo release is the 4th year anniversary of working on this game. Because that is not a badge of pride. That is a badge of shame. Point one. I get you. I'm already 1 year and a half, and it feels like I literally just started 3 weeks ago. Yeah, it tends to happen, right? All right, so we'll do that. And then we'll move these back up. And then it's good enough. Cool. All right. And just you, just you. Almost done. Almost done. Almost done. There we go. Am I done? No. Oh, that was a... Okay. So now the next thing is I need to get some props that are in the lake. Or in the pond. What am I looking for? Hike loop B. Here's the lake. Okay. So I need these lilies, and I need... I had reeds or something, like cattails. Where are they? Let's grab these two. You and you. So this is not the cave. This is the pond biome. Pond. Oh my god, they're so big. Why are they so big? There we go. All right, this material has to change. It's terrible. We're just going to do a very simple universal simple lit. Lit. We're going to make it blue. It already looks better. And then we're going to give it that normal map. What was it? Water? Oh, look at that. It's the normal map that's making it messed up. How about this? Instead of this... That's great. Augie, it's fantastic. You're a natural. Do these not have UVs? Is that the problem? What if I put simple triplanar on this? Triplanar simple. And then I put water. And then this gets basically no... Or actually, it can keep it just really low, 0.1. 0.2. And then repeats 0.5. Whoa, that's horrible. And then specular colors, really low. There we go. That's cool. I dig that. I'm not subbed, so I can't use it. How do you have instant approval? How's that a thing? You've just been around long enough? Okay. Put some lilies in there. Call it a day. I mean, I definitely need to make a frog now that sits on a lily pad. What else is over here that I need to bring over? Oh, these rocks. Let's bring over some rocks. Oh, and I should be using this thing. Oh, this is 4 connected. That's really annoying. Where is this thing? So far away. This is kind of cool. This is fun. Should I just change careers and make displays at history museums? I guess this is what they call level design, huh? Maybe I just like level design. Laurel Inn. You mean Yanny Inn? Wait, what? You get it. That's good. I'm gonna put Yanny in anyway. Oh, Laurel Inn Village. I see. Let me finish drawing it, and you can upload it. I'm excited. I'm excited. Augie, you got me excited. This game? Whatever. Whatever. That emote? Hells yeah. All right, this looks good. It actually puts these to shame now. And I really like the colors next to each other. Like, this feels like I don't know, feels cohesive. It's got variety. Imagine having Laurel Inn that changes to Yanny Inn randomly. That'd be really good. Every time I used to drive around LA and we'd pass Laurel Canyon, I'd say the joke to my wife. I'd be like, "Look, it's Yanny Canyon," and she would hate it. You know what? I'm gonna use these. Oh, I could just duplicate this. Why does this have scale on it? Oh, okay, I know why. Let's just hide this for now. Just want to make sure I like it. Okay, I like that better. Cool. The blue, black, white, gold skies of Yanny Canyon. Yeah, exactly. You get it. All right, so what will be here? There will be a snake. I'm going to do a frog. I have to do a frog. And I got to make a beaver. I need beavers in the game because, like I said on my last stream, beavers are my top 5 favorite animal. Maybe even number 2. Maybe. What's your favorite animal? Oh, hello. What are you guys doing here? Cannot restructure. Cancel. Can I clear? Thank you. Your favorite animal might be the whale shark. Explain. Wait. Oh, no. These have wind. Ugh, it's annoying. Gotta take the wind shader off of them. That means I need a version of this shader. Select material with no wind. No wind. Static. And then I hope there's a wind setting here. Wind strength, 0. There, okay, cool. Any form of cat. Cats are pretty special animals. I don't have one, and I don't want one, but I do like them. Whale sharks are just cool. They're the biggest fish to have ever existed as far as we know. Even though they're called sharks, they seem like gentle giants. Would you swim with a whale shark if you had the opportunity? Putting you to the test right now. Oh, sick. It's the same shader. Okay. Static? Everything's static? Cool. Yes, it's like my dream. Well, go do it. Follow your dreams. Swim with that whale shark. Okay. So this is kind of like terrain. We're just going to put it in terrain for now. Got no money. Can you work? Have you researched this? Can you swim with whale sharks somewhere? Also, I need that. I need a new level of your game. Like I'm like itching for a new level. The ocean is free. Just need to get there. Nah, you need a place that can guarantee whale sharks in the vicinity and scuba diving with them. You went on a date with someone who had gone swimming with whale sharks multiple times. That sounds terrifying. Honestly, I went scuba diving once in Costa Rica, and it was very murky water. Couldn't see more than 10 feet in front of you. And I was very scared at some points. Just thinking, like, even if there was a shark, even if there was something, I wouldn't see it until it was 10 feet in front of me. And that thought alone drove me absolutely crazy. The swimming or the date? Which one? The terrifying aspect of it? I wouldn't swim with sharks, but whale sharks are cute. I mean, they're just so big, they can accidentally kill you. It could be a total accident. All right, I'm gonna start messing with this, and I'm gonna put some snakes in there and call it. So the photo props. Wait, why do these have... Okay. So we need the snake. Snake. Oh, I never made the snake yet. I can upload a new level if you want. I mean, only if you have one. I'd love to play it. But yeah, the snorkeling in Costa Rica, it was fun, but like the water was freezing and we didn't have wetsuits on. So it was really uncomfortable. You do? You have many? Oh man, hit me. Hit me. What's the snake I use here? That's a big snake. Can't remove? Why? Oh, same problem. Remove, 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 remove. And then I can add it to the timeline. This has the animator on it, right? Yeah. Rotation helper. No. Whoops. I don't want to lock this. Timeline. Lock. Great. Okay, cool. Add animation track. Snake yellow. Oh, I want to remove, say none. And then let's add a snake attack. I feel like attack will have a cool frame in it. Ugh, what? Who did this? How? I kind of want a coil. I just want it coiled up. Death. Idle. Idle simple. Slither. Okay, if it's a little more difficult than the other ones, hells yeah. Throw your worst at me. What does death look like? Is there anything? Actually, that's kind of cool. It's got like such a weird mouth. Throw my second worst at you. All right. Ready. I wonder if there's a quick frog asset I can download off the store. I don't have a frog, right? Frog. I have an icon. Can I just drag this into the scene? No, what is this? I can. Placeholder. Placeholder art. We're doing it. Okay. So nothing is immediately obvious. The only thing that is obvious is that it has to be either this or this. And the only way to get these is if it's one of these three, right? So it has to be one of these. I'm going to start here. I already... Oh, actually... Oh, wait. Why can't I do this? Oh, because this... Because this one. Oh, look at that. So that's definitely wrong. Ooh, this one is tough. I like it. I like it. Finsifty. Now we're playing Mr. Mard's game. It's really good. You should try it. Oh, it's freaking out because these two aren't complete. Augie, it's looking good. Finn, look what Augie's doing. Okay. None of these became apparent that I had to do them that way. Each one was a guess. Every single one was a guess. Because I started here. So this set me down a path. Let me start here, actually. If I do that, and I do that, no, I can't do that. I feel like they have to all be next to each other. Nope, that's not good. I don't like this one either. This one's tough. I don't know if I can beat this one. This one is tough. Okay, let's start with the new strategy. No, it can't be this one. Unless it's like this. No, can't be like this either. It's definitely a level up from the previous ones. Yeah, I can feel it. There's just nothing obvious. Need a restart. Need a clear board. Have you ever heard of the programming language Flutter? It's fairly underused in Europe because everything is done in JavaScript. I've actually never heard of that. I feel like I like this placement. Maybe it could be down here, I guess. No, it can't be because look, this is already blocked off. Well, I feel like getting this right is the key, right? Getting this one right. Hmm. Someone rated me today who did their prototype in Flutter. That's so weird. Also, shout out to Augie who's making me an emote. You might have bested me, Mard. You bested me, Mard. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, you just got to get that one that just like sets you down the right path. It's got to be these. I just feel like it has to be because you wouldn't make someone do this and then also this. I just feel like it's redundant. Although you could be evil, you could make them do that. And then this one's got to be down there, right? This one's up here. No, 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 no. Has to be like this. Has to be like this. It has to be like this. It has to be like this. No. So close. That's crazy. I just feel so close. Oh, I didn't realize that I didn't have two here. Is this possible? Wait a minute. We're so close. We're so no, this one's not good. I like how you have the double up color so you know there's two. Smart. Smart. Thank you for the follow. Who's tired today except me? I'm freaking exhausted. I'm actually pretty good right now. I woke up at 5:30 in the morning, which is nowadays it's pathetic that that's good for me. If the dog's not waking me up at 4:30, 5:30 I'll take. She's been working on me. I used to be so mad if she woke up before 7:30. And then it turned into 7 a.m. and then it turned into 6:30 and then it turned into 6. And now if I sleep until 5:30, I'm happy. Pathetic. This has to be one of these. I feel like it's too much hot real estate to not be nestled in this corner. Hot real estate. Hmm. Where are these coming from over here? Oh, that guy. I love how their little head is like donk. Are these faces? Like, is that a face? It's totally a face. It's just like, why are you trying to do that to me? Mard, you bested me. I can't solve it. Thank you though. If anyone else can solve it, be impressed. Can't do it. Can't do it. I appreciate it though. That's going somewhere. I really liked that game. No, thank you. All right, so where's this where's the frog? Here's the frog. Put it in frog. So I don't have a frog photo yet. I am not following you. I actually didn't know you streamed. I did not know that. I'm totally following you now. Although I don't want spoilers. I don't want spoilers. Do I have a beaver? No. Do I have... Uh-oh. The dog is stirring. Hello, dog. Hello, stirring dog. What time is it? 6. Oh, right. I forgot to set this pose. Lock it in. There we go. You stream on and off? Nice. Just cleaning up code, so nothing interesting on stream. What I've learned is that it doesn't matter what you're doing on stream. As long as you smile and wave. Nah. Hey, you should just stream anyway. Who cares? Doggy. Doggy, leave yourself alone. She's in the cone for a reason. She just can't stop. Cleaning up code feels like actually good, in my opinion, because you just rearrange instead of finding new solutions. Yeah, you don't have to struggle on stream. Not struggling on stream is good. Oh my god, dog. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it. What a jerk. So these are going to go here for now. She's like she's trying to lick herself through the cone, but She's just licking the cone over and over again because she can't reach. She's so itchy. Does it bother anyone else that the cave is bigger than this one? I might make this one bigger later. Okay, so now the last thing is this front desk is terrible. I hate it. I hate it with a passion. What if I just do this? Why doesn't that... Oh, whoops. Okay, I don't hate that anymore. Great. Wait, what? Oh, that's a different corner piece. That's funny. Okay, perfect. That's true. Maybe I'll stream soon then. Yes, definitely. Do it. I don't like blocking the entrance like this. I don't like that you'd have to run around to get to this one, but I'm going to do it anyway for now. Also, this needs, I need a new biome called Pond. And I'm officially being pawed at. It's official. We're being pawed at. I do feel good. This is the last interior that was like pretty lame. It feels good that it's looking better. It has stuff in it. Front desk. What do I need? Warp locations. There we go. Great. So now Jeff will stand directly in the center. What would be on the front desk of a welcome center? Like what would be here? Visitor center interior. Like an info desk. What would be on the info desk? Visitor center info desk. Like a little sign, a little iPad, an arrogant hippo called Kevin who questions your satirical choices. Wait, what? Sartorial choices? You know who does stream is Finn Sifty Cat. Mard, what engine are you in? What are you making that in? Leave it. Leave it, girl. Leave it, girl. I know. You're itchy. I'm sorry. Godot? 3.5? What? Oh, right. You said that on Grumble's stream. I remember now. And then you're like, I'm not updating because of reasons and things. What do you mean not that Sifty guy? I love that Sifty guy. We know what engine you use. You literally won't stop talking about it. I really hope that you don't have ads right now and you were able to hear that. Should any of the other NPCs come here and hang out? They should. I'm gonna make... Yeah, reasons. Welcome back from the ads. I'm gonna make one of the characters come here during the day. Should it be Birch? I think it should be Birch. I feel like it's a way to characterize her. Because... No, is it... I could get Birch and Ruby confused in my head. Who's the jerk? I think Birch is the jerk. Let me see. So I'm gonna make... So one of the characters is kind of a jerk, too. Kind of, not a jerk, but just off-putting. Sora. That's a good one. So one of the characters is off-putting. Do I have a Sora? No. Okay. There are a couple of these I might need to take out. I was in a fun mood when I put them in. These like Boss Gravy, Mr. Wong, they're a little weird when you're playing. They're just like, what? Hey, Justin6, how's it going? It's going good here. But yeah, there's a character named Birch who's off-putting, and I want to have her like have a personality, something that you get to know, and part of her personality should be like a connection to the visitor center or to like hiking in general. So I'm gonna make her visit here, and maybe later I'll write some story as to why. I'm sick, so chilling and watching some streams. I'm sorry you're sick. I hope it's not too serious. Yeah, this is some pretty good. These are some pretty good tracks. These last few. All right, so in order to have her come here, I need to put a hotspot somewhere. So maybe she'll just like, maybe she'll be like infatuated with the caves. Oh, and I need to put benches in here. So basic hotspot Jeff Visitor Center. Now it's going to be basic hotspot. I think it's Birch. Birch Visitor Center. Basic hotspot Birch Visitor Center. And then I got to hook this up to the traversal system. Waypoint editor, connect. There we go. Okay. Actually, this can go here. And then waypoint editor disconnect or remove all neighbors and then connect. Connect. Okay. So then I need to put this in her schedule. Birch. Birch schedule. Justin, can you remind me what kind of game you're working on? I know you rated here the other day and you shared with us. Was it the shooter? Was it the shooter game? The oh wait, it was the alien shooter game. It's called like Alien Life something. I'm remembering. Sci-fi roguelite shooter alien life simulator. There we go. There we go. Thank you for reminding me. It was all coming back to me because I hung out on your stream the other day and I learned where you lived and I got to watch some of your work. It's very nice. Stalking, huh? I mean, is it stalking if I wasn't lurking? We were chatting. Learned where you lived. Yeah, what country? Not like the address. I know what country Justin lives. I guess that did sound creepy. That's great. I like the look of Alpine Lake. Thank you. I appreciate it. All right, so she goes to town square and just sits there. But now I want her to come here. Or maybe she should do both. She could do both. There's plenty of time in the day. She can do both. So she wants to come here, which is the birch. Okay, I'm getting pawed at, and it's 9:18. Germany self-doxing. I wasn't going to say it. But you did it. All right, so when should she come here? She does this at 17 o'clock. I hate army time. It's 5 o'clock p.m. Wait, she does that at 5 o'clock p.m.? Oh, no, she goes home at 5 o'clock p.m. She does this at 8 in the morning. So she can come here at like 1? No. 13 o'clock? Let's just say noon. Germany's pretty big. Nice trains. Germany is pretty big. I can't comment on the trains. I haven't been there. Okay, doggy. Okay, doggy. We're gonna go eat soon. Japan's also pretty big. Also nice train. New Zealand, very small. Train quality unknown. Show us your dog. All right. I'm gonna have to feed her after I show her then. Come here. Caught her. She's very hungry. She's very hungry. Say hi to the people. All right. I gotta go feed her. I'll be back in 1 minute and 12 seconds. I'm back. Darkwood, how's it going? All right. Ooh, I needed some chocolate. I'm starving. Today's a holiday, so plenty of free time. Awesome. What's the holiday today? May 9th. Turning cog. I just showed her. She's eating right now. There's no grabbing her away from that food bowl. Let me maybe there's a photo I took of her recently that I can share. Oh god, I don't want to show you that one. That's the I think I showed that one before. This is a good one. It's actually a really good one. I don't care. I see I see the dog when I see the dog. There she is. Careful, Cog. Booyah might know where you live. I actually don't remember or know what country Cog lives in. Look at that mug. So much sass. You know, when dogs have eyebrows like this, the emotional level of them goes through the roof, but the dog doesn't change. It's just they have eyebrows. It turns out Karen's in the office tomorrow, so I may stream. Tomorrow's Friday. Is that... Do you not normally do Fridays? Eyebrows are OP, yeah. Wisconsin, the land of serial killers and craft beer. Not mutually exclusive. Okay. What are we doing? We got a scene, and now someone comes here and hangs out at 1 p.m. When should they go home? Should they stay late? And do I want to add lighting? And do I want to add benches? And do I want to add decorations? Okay. We doing some kind of stream together? You guys should stream together. All right, let me run to this scene, see what it looks like. I haven't looked at it in game in a bit. But like, she's fired a bunch of people this week, done it so nicely. They're going out for drinks. Did she just convince them to quit, having a quitting party? Streaming with people is fun. I've never done it. You know, I was thinking about the other day. You know, we have these conversations, streamers with other streamers, right? But it's one person's always talking and the other person's always typing. Not many of us have spoken to each other, like voice to voice. And I find that really funny because this dynamic, like I control the conversation, right? And when you're on someone else's stream, they control the conversation. So what would happen? What would happen? What would the conversations be like? Would some personalities that seem to work when it's text and voice not work when it's voice and voice? I don't know. Is she the janitor? Wait, is it the janitor? What? Assumption of Mary. Oh, that's the holiday. Oh, right. You're in Belgium. That's right. I do remember because we talked about French fries and mussels and chocolate. Did we talk about chocolate? I'm drooling now. I'm so hungry. I have my Discord call open to other streamers to join when I stream and am organizing game dev events with other streamers. Oh, wow. That's cool. I did not know that. You didn't get auto-modded. That's crazy. I've done tons of talking to streamers, but it turns out Booyah is a control freak. He also seems to overthink things. It's possible that the thought is pointless and the conversation would flow just the same. But it's just a thought that I had. Have you watched Shogun? Not yet. It's been recommended to me. Irish John was saying to watch it. Some people at work were saying to watch it. I'm gonna watch it. You can join the art streams on Discord if you ask. What does that mean? Oh my god, Augie! Augie, that looks sick! The shading! Wait a minute. But I already see that you flipped it, so the shading's backwards when it goes the other way. But it looks awesome. It's getting so good. Oh my god. Yeah, that's it. All the emotes need to be trees. Like, I freaking love it. Shogun's good? Yeah, everyone's been saying it's good. Shogun was good. It's a good miniseries from the 80s. Wait, what? Oh, wait, I gotta run and put the cone back in the dog. One sec. Okay. Jiro, how's it going? What are the plans for the music? Will you hire someone to work on it, or will you do it by yourself? I actually have a buddy who I've been commissioning. I have about, how many tracks do I have so far? 6, 7, 8. Got 8 tracks. And they're all really good. Booyah, that's the sun direction. What do you mean the sun direction? It looks like the shade, the shadow side switches when it goes left and right. Oh, I did that on purpose because the idea is that the lighting is from the center. I see. I see. You're justifying your shortcuts. I dig that. That's how I live my life. It looks really good though. Oh my god. I love it. This new show is a remake. Know your pop culture. Ooh, I did not know that. And I'm terrible with pop culture. Absolutely terrible. You ironically didn't even use a shortcut. You painted both sides manually. That's great. Honestly, it's possible that it works. It might work better like this. Also, both shows are based on a book. What's the book based on? Real life? What's real life based on? The deterministic path of humanity? What's that based on? I thought Shogun was an adaptation of the book. Right, yeah. Wow, Booyah over here throwing shade about shit. Wow, that was so good it gave me a headache. Like, I have a bit of a headache now from laughing. You did it. You won. That's great. Maybe I should have flipped it. Nah, no. You can honestly, when you hand do it, you can feel it. If you would have flipped it, you would have known it was flipped. But I actually don't know that it's exactly flipped. To be fair, it's not my highest effort work. That's okay. It already looks great. I love it. All right. Oh, look, here she comes. Wait, it wasn't even 1. Oh, I made her come here at noon. We could talk to Jeff. Hi there, my name is Jeff. I'm the new park ranger. What up, Jeff? Oh, 99. 99. Make me Duolingo. Justin, Alpha. Okay. Let me get you the Alpha key first. And to give you the Alpha key, make sure to pop in the Discord. Also, 99, how are you doing? Full res looks like it was made in MS Paint. That's fine. Emotes are tiny. You know I'm on a 23 watch streak over here? Are you freaking serious? That's crazy. There you go. There you go, Justin. If anyone else wants a key, just hit that redeem. Let me also add you to the private channel where things are discussed about the alpha. Permission. There we go. You're in. Okay, and now a duo lesson. I'm not. So it took me 11 minutes to do the last one. I'm just gonna do a word one. I'm not gonna do a long proper lesson. So let me mute the music. It's gonna be much shorter. Ooh, this is good. I like this remix. Reminds me of Twin Peaks a little bit. Finn's over here fangirling. I know, right? That's great. All right, here we go. Y'all ready to hear my terrible Japanese? We're just gonna do a word. We're just gonna do word match. Okay, so Duolingo keeps updating the app, and usually the word match, it's only words that I've learned. But because it keeps updating, it's like inserted vocabulary into past lessons that I didn't learn. So now I don't know any of these words. I know, okay, pink. I know pink is, oh no. Yeah, it's just pink. Pink. Stormy. Stormy is, what is stormy? It's, I'll come back to that one. Magnet. Magneto. Magneto. Keychain. Keychain. Keyholder. 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 Keychain is keyholder. And then fever. Fever is, I don't know. So there's two here that I just can't. I just don't know. Arashi. Arashi. No, Arashi is stormy. Okay. Arashi, stormy, and then Netsu is fever. Netsu. This is a problem when Duolingo updates the app and inserts old vocabulary. I just those words will never stick. Maybe. Migi is right. Futta. No, uta. Oh, uta is song. Uta. Uta. Soto, outside. I know that one. Futon. Futon. Key holder. That's my new favorite word. Key holder. Heijitsu. Magneto. Ame. 美術館。美術館はつまらないです。ピンク。Okay. 嵐。嵐。Key holder. Netsu. So Netsu is fever. Yuki. Snowy. September is Kyugatsu. Kugatsu. Tenki. Uta. Song. Wait, stormy was arashi. Arashi. Key holder. Key holder. Ongaku. Music. Jinja. Shrine. Soshite is then or something like that. Dare is who. Oh, what is tall? I forget. Takai. Takai. Neshi. Netsu, sorry. Fever. Netsu. Pinku. Okay, the word for painting, so hard to hear in a sentence. It's just e. Leizoko. Fridge. Haru. Spring. Tanoshi. Dare. Migi. Oh, I don't know the kanji for it. Is this one? Oh, yeah. Last month. Sengetsu. Sengetsu. Magneto. Futon. Okay, we did it. Thank you, 99. Hakubutsukan. Bijutsukan. You want to do 6 more lessons? No, I need to put a cap on that right now. I will add a cooldown of an hour to that one. Cooldown. Redemption cooldown timer. 60 minutes. Save. Great. Pinku. Sounds wrong, but it's what they use, key holder. No, I mean once I understood that it was saying key holder. And then actually the confusing thing is the emphasis on the R that they're using. Key horuda. Key horuda. That's confusing to me because like when I say it, the L just like slurs right into the D, but the fact that they're putting emphasis on it is like it trips me up. But I like that word. I'll never forget it. Key horuda. I like that there's a lot of people that know Japanese that are coming to chat. They can check me. Should have just kept quiet and spammed 6 more. I mean, the second you redeemed it, I knew I had to put a cooldown on it because it already happened. Also, posture check. Thank you. All right. So this is our new. Oh right, I forgot. Wait, what? The camera started moving and then I freaked it out. Wait, yeah, what happened to the camera moves? Where are they? We had some cool custom camera moves that focused on these when we got close. And now, where are they? Cameras. Virtual camera trigger meadow. Yeah. Where you at? I know only how to read hiragana and katakana and some random words from judo, like counting 1 to 10, body parts, etc. Hey, it's something. Just came here to say, just say hi. Have to get dinner. Have fun and stay safe. You too. I need to get dinner as well. Where's this? Oh, it's not a trigger. Does that mean I like knocked it out of existence? Oh, it looks like I might have moved it. You think it's possible that I moved it? Oh no, I moved this over and I didn't move this with it. Okay, so if I walk over to that. Okay, so it does work. I just had it in the wrong spot. Yeah, it's just in the wrong spot. Okay, I forgot I moved it. Bon appetit indeed. Do you know how long it took me to realize that when people say bop, that's a bop. That's a mega bop. I had no idea what they were talking about. I thought they were literally talking like, we have to hit that, like hit that person, or like with a mallet. I didn't realize it was about music. I didn't realize. Oh no, I didn't save the scene. Are these gonna get saved? I don't remember. So now when I walk over here, perfect. So this one, do I even need like a focus camera? It's dead center. This one bothers me. It needs to be higher. See, this is better character placement. I just don't like how when you exit, the character's like way off screen. Oof. Chill. All right, so let me do a little recap. Let's try and like remember those words we just learned, right? So, ototoshi is the year before last. That I remembered, but otoshi, kotoshi. Kotoshi is this year? And then kyonen is last year. So wait, so kyonen is last year and ototoshi is 2 years ago. I don't understand the different, like the flipping between toshi and nen, right? That's something that's confusing. And then the word for 20th, that was confusing. I don't even remember it. I'll just keep saying Niju. Nijuka. How about that? Hatsuka. Hatsuka. It was that. Yeah, it was that. Totally right. Hatsuka. That's gonna be a tough one to remember. Let's see. You think I can count to the 10th day? No, I don't even know the first one. I forget the first one already. Futsuka is this, Futsuka, and then Mitsuka. Lurk. Thank you for the lurk, Justin. Tsutachi. Suitachi, right? Suitachi. That was the one that Duolingo taught me. So it's both Ichinichi? That works. Is it both the same? Tsuitachi. Futsuka. Mitsuka? It's definitely not is it Yotsuka? Yoka? Maybe just no, Yoka is like 8. That's confusing to me too, because usually like Yots is 4 things, right? But Yoka is 8 now. It's the 8th. Come on. Come on, Japanese. You're killing me. All right, let's see it. Oh, I'm like forgetting what I'm doing. One thing at a time. One thing at a time. Wait, I just caught him in the middle. Oh, weird. I didn't know that was possible. So if I enter the zone at the right time, I can catch him walking to the... I can catch him walking here, but he spawns facing forward, standing there, and then carries on his way. It's not great. Whatever. It's pretty rare for that to happen. It doesn't bother me so much. So if you take a picture of Jeff, he gets really excited. That was one of the coolest things I added from IRAD Dev's playthrough. All right, so how are these cameras now? Oh, wait, I didn't change them. I'm an idiot. I didn't change them. All right, so Ika is the 5th day, right? Ika. And then Mika. Is that a thing? Am I making that up? I think I'm making that up. Mika is the 3rd day. Okay. There's no Tsu. And then Itsuka is the 5th day. Oh, Muika. Muika. That one's 6. That one, okay. Nanoka. So now there's a 3rd way to say 7. Sometimes it's Nana. Sometimes it's Shichi. now it's Nano. Okay. Yoka. That one I knew. That one I knew was 8th. Kokonoka. And Toka. And then you said Hatsuka. Hatsuka? Hatsuka's the 20th? Please don't tell me that there's also very unique special words for 11th through 19th. Hatsume, Caveman Crafting, how's it going? Okay, let's actually do the thing that we were going to do. We were going to change the cameras. Let's do the meadow first. So I just want it a little lower. Or a little farther back. Dink, dink, dink. Dink, dink, dink. That one's good. And then this one. That one's definitely not good. Go here. Okay. That should be plenty of space for the player to be able to never get cropped. And then I'll just, for posterity's sake, I'll make another one. I'll make a 3rd for the pond. And then the camera, maybe I'll swing it around to the right. And that might be cool. Oh, look at that. It's already there. Okay. That's cool. Cool. I dig it. Let's test it. I can't tell. So something's screaming outside, and I can't tell if it's a baby or a cat. There's no babies that live in this building. And I don't know if there's any cats. That's so intense. Cool. This one doesn't open the GUI. Why not? Why? Excuse me. Well, the camera works, so cool. I just need some like decorations to make it look more like this, you know? I mean, not so much like this. This is a little lame, but stuff like this. All right, I have some bench items. I'll throw some benches in there. Call it a day. And then some plants. The plants. Ooh. I have a scene with all my plants. I don't remember where it is. It's packs. It was a pack of nature. Houseplants mega pack. Scenes. There it is. Where are the pots? Oh, they're all over there. Okay, it's hard to see. I want to turn this one off. All right, so what plants go in? Plants go in the visitor center. I like this. Do any of these visitor centers have plants? This one does. It almost doesn't matter. I mean, this one has a crazy wall plant. Living wall? Is that what they're called? There we go. That's what I want. Just a big leafy thing. Where's a big leafy thing? I always need like a reference to confirm like the thing I need. Big leafy thing. Maybe the Monstera. I should just grab the Monstera. Monstera. Okay, we need to leave that. Basically have to delete everything on here. I think if I scale it this big, it's taller than the people. Maybe it's not good to do that. What I should do is grab this thing. Oh, the plant and the pot are the same model. Oh, that's annoying. All right, I know I made a bench. I know I made a bench for the town, plaza bench. Here it is. Twitch scam you. Yeah. We don't acknowledge Twitch scam here anymore. They're basically like a T-Rex. If you don't move, you don't react to them, they can't see you. Doggy. Can you breathe more normally, please? I'm just putting them in random places. Cool. All right, so we have stuff, right? Do we need more? Yeah, of course we need more. It still looks really flat. There's a lot of empty space here. Too much empty space. What can I do to make it better? I can put those. Oh, you know what I can do? I can put the pillars back. Big open space shouldn't have this much space without pillars and walls, right? Also, where are the bats? Where'd the bats go? Where'd the bats go? There they are. What are you guys doing down here? You guys just chilling? They're just chilling under the floor. Dangling. That was kind of cute. They flew away. Nah, they don't want to go anywhere. They're just down here. I think when the timeline kicks in, yeah, they snap back. Okay. All right. So what was I just about to do? Oh, right. Pillars. Pillars. They are trying to sneak away. No, I don't like pillars. I don't like pillars. They just block your view. They don't add like a valuable, interesting aspect to the building. They just block your view, and they're a cube. It's not interesting. It's too bad. What else can we do? Oh, maybe the walls should be like double decker too. I don't even know if this will work. Do I have to get rid of the wainscoting? I do kind of like the double decker. It just adds some interest there. But I do need to get rid of vases. Yeah, I do need like big vases. How's it going, Cody Coder? Welcome in. Your redeems are inconsistent? What? Yeah, probably. Which ones are you talking about though? Did you redeem something and it didn't work? Or do I just not have a theme on this channel? Which is true. The me from add me to the alpha is different than me from make me Duolingo. Oh, right. So you're saying there's like I'm not addressing me or the chat in the same consistent manner. You're right. Senior game review on Adam C. Looked nice. Well, thanks for stopping by. Thanks for checking me out. Redeem and make chat do Duolingo. Oh, that's good. You've all made me laugh a lot this stream. It like exhausts me when I laugh a lot. Fin50 definitely gave me a headache with that one joke. And now I'm just that laugh just I'm beat. We're raiding out. I'm beat. We're raiding out. It's been 3.5 hours. That's usually how long I go. All right, everybody. Oh my God, today was a good one. Good progress. Good progress. Bugs fixed. This is coming together. There's a purpose to this area. All right, yeah. And we got to go to Augie, especially after he made that awesome emote that I got to upload. Did I fix the audio here? Is there still audio issues? Can someone confirm? Because I heard in the VOD yesterday the echoing. It was terrible. But what happened today? Had some fun. Easy. Scotty. Cthulhu the sub. That's nice. Audio sounds good. Okay, cool. Well, Cody, it was short and sweet, but maybe I'll see you again. I'll be back tomorrow, same time, and Saturday at a different time. I'm not sure yet. Probably like 6 a.m. Japan time. Augie, what are you doing? Get out of here! You're not supposed to see this. It's supposed to be a surprise. I'm gonna upload it second I log it. Second I raid you. Get out of here, guys. Go. Get out of here. Scram. All right. Later, y'all.